Hi, good evening. How are you?
I am well. How are you?
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. How's your day so far?
Yeah, quite nice.
That's nice. Anything that became the highlight of your day?
Sorry?
Anything that became the highlight of your day, the highlight of your day.
Mm,
The best part of your day, the highlight.
Dance with my son.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's very sweet. Do you have like a ritual where you dance with your son or like do some activity every day?
Not everyday activity. He learned some steps in school today, so he
Yeah.
came home and then did
Practiced
that
with
with
you.
me. Yeah.
All right. Well, that's very sweet. All right. Okay. Thanks for sharing it. I see that you've completed over 65 sessions.
Yeah.
Yeah. What has kept you here? What motivates you to have a session, keep having sessions?
Um, this is the only way to speak English, I think.
Uh-huh. Do you not have an
Otherwise,
English
at home,
speaking?
I'm not using English. That's why.
Instead of saying I'm not using English, you will say I don't speak in English.
I don't
Since you
speak
said
in
it there.
English. Yeah.
Okay. Because this is something common about you,
Okay.
something general about you. All right. So, is there anything in specific since you've had over 65 sessions? Your goals must have shifted, your plans, purpose with the platform must have shifted. So, is there anything in specific that you want to work on that I can help you with?
My grammar is not good.
What part of grammar? The grammar is very vast, na?
Okay. Yeah,
Any
now
specific
I
part of
am
grammar?
confident, but yeah, fluency, I need to work on fluency and accent also.
Why accent? What type of accent do you want?
When I speak English, I feel like I'm speaking in Rajasthani.
No, it doesn't sound. I could not have
I have
told that.
Rajasthani accent.
I couldn't have told that you're a Rajasthani.
Really?
I couldn't tell. Yeah, I couldn't tell. No, not at all. Not at
Okay.
all. Maybe
Just
that's how you feel
pronunciation. We have
yourself.
to work on pronunciation, fluency, and yeah, some vocabulary.
Alright. See, I should tell you first of all, I cannot see the Rajasthani dialect in your language at all.
Really? Okay.
It's not there. Trust me. Only
Hindi?
now when you said it. See, Hindi, we all are Hindi speakers. How will Hindi not reflect in? Hindi is not just a language, it's a culture. So it
Yeah, right.
reflects in a language. Do I have an accent? No,
Hmm.
no. No,
Okay.
seriously, do I have an accent?
I feel like you are, it's Indian accent, you know?
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I'm Indian. So my accent is also Indian. What I
Yeah.
do have is a flow of speaking. I speak my words in a certain flow. Yeah, there's no
Okay.
accent, but there's fluencies you speak without interrupting or without
So
stopping
accent
you.
doesn't affect pronunciation.
Not at all. They're very different things.
Okay.
And you shouldn't even try to change your accent because when you change your accent, you're trying to leave your roots.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Your accent does naturally evolve, and it is not accent, it is flow of speaking. Like, I
Okay.
have always been a fluent speaker, but over the past 5 years, my flow of speaking has evolved. I
Okay.
speak more effortlessly now, and I've always, all my life, I've spoken English. But your
Okay.
flow keeps on evolving, your accent doesn't have to change. It's fine. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Pronunciation also, again, during the course of the session, if I find anything, I will correct you for it. Uh, so far, I don't think pronunciation is an error either. Okay, but we'll see in the remaining session. Yeah.
Yeah. For some words or new words.
See, new words, everybody takes a second, no, to get a grasp over it.
Okay.
Come. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
So maybe then we'll just have a general conversation, and through that, we'll try to work on things.
Okay.
The topic that we have for the day is plastic surgery. Are you interested in the topic?
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay. Um, all right. Why do you think women particularly, get plastic surgery done?
Because they are not confident about their appearance. Appearance.
Appearance, correct.
Yes.
Make that sentence again. Now make it in a good flow.
Okay, because some women are not confident with their appearance. Yeah, appearance.
Appearance. Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Appearance. Speak a little more about it. Why are they not confident?
Yeah, if I just tell you that your nose is not little bit confusing or not very good,
Mm-hmm.
so you will go to in front of mirror and just keep watching your nose, or maybe some reason, or some celebrities has to make
Have
their
to. Celebrities
have
have
to
to
have to
go
look
under
good.
the knife. Yeah.
Yeah, because we always judge them with their looks.
Mm, right.
So
Right.
they have so much burden on them,
Pressure. Yeah.
pressure, yeah, on them. That's why they do this kind of things. And sometimes some accidents or tragedies uh,
Uh-huh.
happen to people. So
Uh-huh.
they
Yes.
have to go through these surgeries and all. Like
Yes.
my husband
Mm-hmm.
got hurt on his nose.
Okay.
So he has to
He
done
had to past tense. He
he
had
had
to.
to done rhinoplasty
He had
because
to
of
get. He had to
get
get rhinoplasty done.
he had to get rhinoplasty because of that.
Done. Yeah.
That
Yeah.
yeah,
He had to get it done. No. So it is rhinoplasty. He had to get rhinoplasty done.
yes. So sometimes accident also the reason.
Mm-hmm.
And
Right.
if we talk about Michael Jackson, he had
Yes.
9 or 10 rhinoplasties.
Really?
Yes, because
God.
at the first he was having problem in breathing.
He
So that's
had
why
at first.
yeah, he had
Yeah.
yeah. So that's why he went to
Mm-hmm.
for rhinoplasty.
Surgeon.
And
Yeah.
after that, he thought his nose is not looking good because of his celebrity. So he tried it again and again and again, and at the end,
Uh-huh.
it was funny.
All right.
Just go
Yeah,
and
yeah, it didn't. Yeah, I know.
see
I know his pictures. I know
pictures.
the
Yeah,
difference. Yeah,
it's a
before
different. There
after.
is, so that's why. And I think,
He's also black, na? I think he was black, but he had a lot of pigmentation done
and he
to look
used
white.
yeah, cosmetic surgeries also
Yes, yes, yes.
to look good. And yeah,
Uh-huh.
I think some of I think one of our doctors said that he has some skin problem, like vertigo. I don't know what was that. I don't know the name, but
Uh-huh.
his skin was uh, white somewhere, like here and there. So that's
Uh-huh.
why he used bleach,
Uh-huh.
so he can look
So he could
good
look
or
white.
even look
Yeah.
for even look.
All right. For an even look. I think he was also very he was bullied in school, I guess.
Yeah.
So
And
he had inferiority complex.
and one of the reason is his family. He don't want to be like his family
Past tense. He
member.
didn't want to. He didn't
He
want to be.
yeah, he didn't want to be like his family. So that's
Why?
why.
Why was that?
I think his father was not that good. That's why.
Uh-huh. All right.
Yeah.
He had issues with his family.
Yes, that's
All
why.
right. All right. Okay. Wow, you know an awful a lot about Michael Jackson. All right. What we're gonna try to do now is, I see that we can work a little more on past tense. Yeah. So maybe in the 5 minutes that we have remaining, I could request you to narrate a story to me. The story can be anything. It could be story of a movie that you have watched. It can be maybe story of a trip that you took. Yeah. Uh, so anything. I'm just looking for you to narrate anything to me in past tense. Can
Okay.
we do that?
Sorry.
Can we do that? Will we be able to do that? Any story.
Any story.
Yeah.
Oh,
When was the last time you took a trip, maybe?
A month ago, I went to Rajasthan.
Let's talk about that. Maybe you could tell me the story, like
Okay.
everything that you did, because we're essentially just looking for anything in past tense, no?
Okay. So I'm from Rajasthan,
Yeah.
and currently I'm living in Kathmandu.
Mm-hmm.
So a month ago, I went to Rajasthan to my mama's place. My uncle blessed with a baby boy.
My uncle is blessed with a baby
My
boy.
Okay. And so there was a ceremony.
Uh-huh.
So I went for that ceremony.
Okay.
So we had so much fun there. We danced,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, we I made so many reels with my cousins,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, my
Yeah.
son played with mud and
Uh-huh.
sand, mud
Uh-huh.
and all, and
Uh-huh.
he uh,
Uh-huh.
what he did camel riding.
Oh, all right. He rode a camel.
Yeah. And
Uh-huh.
uh, I
And
had sweet laddus made by my mom.
okay, all right.
Yeah. And what can I say more?
Mm.
Isn't it okay?
All right. Well, see, well done. You've done well. You've done well so far. Yeah, there hasn't been any mistake. This is what you wanted to work on.
Yeah,
Let's
but
pick up a story. Let's pick up a story instead. Any
thing to have food
they
without
gave
invitation.
they crashed a wedding. It's called crashing a wedding. Crashing.
They crashed a wedding
Yeah.
to eat good food.
Yeah.
After having food, they found out
Yeah.
that wedding was their
Was actually
was actually their dean's daughter's wedding.
the wedding was actually of their dean's daughter.
The wedding was actually of their
Of
dean's
their dean's daughter.
daughter.
Okay.